4 days ago, it was the most powerful AI model anyone could touch in the world. Today, you can literally not use it. Neither can anyone else in the planet. Now, Claude Fable 5 is gone. The question everyone is asking, when is it coming back? So I dug a little deeper in everything Anthropic actually said, and here is my honest answer, including the part where people are betting over hundreds of thousands of dollars when it actually is coming back. So what really happened? The quick recap, you already know, June the 9th it came out, June the 12th, the government released an export control directive, Anthropic complied, and pull Fable 5, its bigger sibling Mythos 5 offline across the API, the apps, and everything else you could touch it with. So the real question here is when it actually is coming back. I want to be straight with you guys because a lot of channels are going to make up different answers. You can see it on X, everyone else. When is it actually coming back? There is no official return date at this moment. Here is what actually Anthropic said about the timing. They believe there is a misunderstanding and they're working to restore access as soon as possible. That is, as soon as possible is not a date. It's a statement of intent with zero operational commitment. Anybody who tells you a specific date right now is just guessing. And here is how I know nobody knows. People are betting real money. They're actually betting thousands and thousands, sometimes hundreds of $1,000s when Fable 5 is going to get restored. And you can see it here on this screenshot, or you can go into any of those betting websites and you'll be able to see there. Now, here's what's going on and here's what the confusion is all about. And I just want you to actually understand because it really matters. There's an actual two complicity separate things. Fable 5 is going away. Thing one is that government shutdown on June 12th. That was unplanned. There is no return date in the mystery. We're still talking about it. Thing number two, it's totally different. When Fable 5 launched, Anthropic set it as a free or to the Pro Max Teams plan through June 22nd, and that's nearing. So if it comes off through those plans, either they're going to push it for a little bit later for a end of the date. So that is why it's important. So even if it comes back before the 22nd, the free ride was already ending. So don't let anyone confuse you on those two different things. So what happens if you were relying on Fable 5? Well, Anthropic says that you can simply just go, and they're recommending to go to Opus 4.8 for heavy work, or Sonnet for even 4.6 for lighter, faster tasks. Both are fully available and they are excellent. If you build a workflow around Fable 5 during those 3 different days, just switch to the models. Your work doesn't stop. If you were using Fable 5 for an everyday task, you won't even notice the difference. Fable 5 Real Edge was long, complex, multi-hour jobs for days work. You could actually just use 4.8. Now, if you want to see me building an entire Geos operating system, check out the video that is showing up here, and also it will be in the pinned comment. That is actual video showing you the power of Fable 5. Now, to sum it up, Fable 5, it is offline worldwide after the government directive. There is no official return date, only as soon as possible, whenever Anthropic and the government of the United States decide, and I'm guessing, and this is just a guess, Anthropic complies with what the government's asking, then we will see a return date in different adjustments that Anthropic will be able to make. So once Fable 5 returns, then we'll create more amazing Fable 5 videos. But in the meantime, I have other videos in my channel that you can go to. Check those out and let me know in the comments, what are you building now with Claude Code? I'll see you on the next one.